A QQ plot can be utilized in tandem with the Shapiro-Wilk normality test to supplement or confirm the findings of the Shapiro-Wilk test. Ideally, if data observations are normally distributed, the dotted observation points should follow a solid trend line as closely as possible. As always, all code related to this video's exercises can be found within the video description below, along with the associated data file, which is structured within CSV format. So here we have our observations. And to begin our analysis, we will select Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, QQ plots. Make sure that our variable observation is moved to the right. In this case, our variable observations are contained within SDSample. So we'll make sure that's moved to the right, and then we'll click OK. Here is the associated output as it relates to the QQ plot. We're really mostly interested in the graphic. So if you followed this particular example exercise from the code below, you should receive a QQ plot that resembles what is shown here. Now again, ideally, if the data is normally distributed, the dotted points should follow the solid trend line as closely as possible. This particular QQ plot is reasonably consistent with normality, and so we would state that in our findings. Also, again, we want to be sure to primarily utilize the Shapiro-Wilk normality test to determine if data is parametric, with the QQ plot graphic acting as a supplement. So that is all for this particular video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. We're trying to get the message out to as many users as possible. So best of luck in your research. Thanks for stopping by. Like and subscribe. And until next time, take care.